Sunita, let me start with you because I want an opening remark on the topic from each one of you so that I know where each of you is coming from and, our audience gets to know what you think of the subject.
Thank you, Shamni. A very good evening to all of you. It is indeed a pleasure to, travel all the way from Bangalore to be part of this panel discussion. I'm sure it's going to be interesting, not just because, like Alokesh said, there's a lot of work that one has done in this field, but also on the topic of generational diversity. I think any evolution, the way I look at it, be it products, be it services, be it humankind, any evolution is good. And it's good for the society, and if the way we look at organizations as a microcosm of that society, which is getting together to produce valuable product services, then of course we better be inclusive to get in people from the newer generations, because in my mind, the newer generations bring in a lot more, I would say, good compared to the previous. Anything, the newer version of anything is better. We all know that, right? So at least the way we look at it in the organizations is that the faster we're able to get them in, the faster we're able to assimilate them, and more importantly, the faster we're able to have a very collaborative working with them and the other generations. In fact, I was just telling, it's not just the Gen X, because I think we have the baby boomers as well in this in the organizations today. So it's an interplay of 3 generations, and the faster we're able to ensure that there's collaborative working amongst all these 3 generations, I'm sure it's going to be better for the organization, because the final product service that you bring to your end consumer is definitely going to be of a better kind.